For all those who want to know, this is how you change the blower motor resistor for your Ford Transit. Normally what happens is your speeds will not work, so speed 1 and 2 will not work, and only speed 3 will work. So in order to fix that, what normally happens is that resistor there normally goes. So in order to get to that, you have to remove your whole dashboard. So when you remove your dashboard, what you need to do is, you can mark this here, this is your relay. You can either take this blower out or you can leave it in place, but it's basically that resistor there. There's two torque screws there and there. Take them out, and then this whole unit just pulls out. So I've already replaced, but I'm just showing you in case you need it for reference. That's what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and this is the part number if you need it. So normally the resistors in there burn out, and that's usually caused by the fan motor. Over time what happens is dust goes on the bearings of the fan motor and it tends to seize it up. So my advice would be to remove this fan motor and give it a good clean and just check and see if it's tight. If it's too tight, then that's what's caused the resistor to burn out, because technically those resistors should not burn out unless there's a fault causing them to overheat. So to remove the fan, to remove the motor, see that clip there? What you need to do is, I'll show you. What you need to do is unplug the relay, then come down here to the main fan switch. This is just a push type clip. Push it in and pull, and that's out of the way. Pull out your wiring loom, clear out the way. Then that little plastic piece there, that's what holds it in. So if you try to turn it, it's stuck there. So all you need to do is use the screwdriver So you need to use a screwdriver like this and just pull it forward. When you pull it forward, you twist it and turn it. I'll try and show you that. It's just a bit hard holding the camera with one hand. When you're pulling that, just twist like that. When you twist it like that, you can pull out the fan motor, and that's what it looks like. This one spins quite freely, so you want to check that if it's binding or if it's too tight or if it's got excessive play here. Then you'd want to replace this motor and replace the resistor. Do not just replace the resistor, as it will burn out again and you'll have to pull out the whole dashboard again. So make sure to check the fan motor out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope this was of some help to you. If it was, please like and subscribe.